All right, many of you have heard that coffee grounds are useful to use in the garden. But how do you use coffee grounds? Actually, I think most of you have heard that because the Starbucks that I like to go to for my free coffee grounds, someone's already beat me there most of the time when I go. So maybe I shouldn't share this tip because it's kind of hard to find coffee grounds these days. But because I like you, I'm going to share this tip with you. There's a few different ways that you can use coffee grounds. So you can see this nice, rich coffee grounds here. My favorite way to use coffee grounds is, because I compost, is to put them right into my compost. If I get a nice big bag, if I hit the jackpot at Starbucks and I have this big bag of compost, or a big bag of coffee grounds, I like to spread it among my compost that's cooking, and I love to watch the thermometer, the gauge just shoot up. That boost of nitrogen really heats up my compost and really gets it going. And so that's my favorite way to use coffee grounds. But if you don't compost, don't worry, there's still another way you can do it. You can also just get these nice coffee grounds and mix them into the top little bit of your soil. Especially between plantings, that's a great time because they're gonna add organic matter and they're gonna attract micronutrients. And another thing in your garden soil that loves coffee grounds is worms. So as you add in the coffee grounds, that's going to feed the worms and kind of get that whole good thing going. So again, coffee grounds, use them in your compost or add them right to your soil, but coffee grounds are a great and usually cheap or free addition to add to your garden.